everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be continuing on with my bloom swipes, trying to improve, see what the colours look like together, and that I am painting on a 30 by 60 centimetre canvas. Now my pillow today is my white interior house paint mixed with some Floetrol because this one is quite thick. Now my pillow is going to be quite thin on the canvas itself because it is a full swipe. So I don't need all that extra paint sitting there. My colours today are metallic rich gold. It's a very creamy gold, this one. Then I'm going to be using one of my pigments. It's an interference blue. And in the light, it actually changes different shimmery shades of blue. So on top of the gold, that should look fabulous. This is one of my new colours. It's a limited edition. It's called Chillin' Lime. So a very spring sort of colour. Then I'm going to be using some pearl white. This one's by Amsterdam. It's got a nice shimmer inside there. This is another new colour for me today. It's called Tranquility. It's a bit of a sky, very pale sky blue with lilac hue to it. Very pretty. And then my cell activators today are titanium white and turquoise. Now, if you'd like to see how I mix my paints for my bloom swipes, please go check out video number 290. I show you how to mix the cell activator and the colours for the blooms. Okay, let's get pouring.